Here's Ken Calhoun live with the latest trading strategies for today's markets.
Now traders, take a look at this all-new breakout trading technique. It's perfect for volatile markets. Take a look at exactly what happens step by step.
And again, if this thing continues on up, then great, I'll make more money. And if it doesn't, well, fine, I'll trail a stop and still make money. So it's all good. Anyway, let me see what's Axe, Continental, PSSI, and Sonic. Let's pull those up too. Now it looks like United's going to drop and take me out, right? I got 72 cents. What's our current market is 75. You can see the tape here, we're at 76. Yeah, I'll check the STP. This looks like it may be a top right here. Maybe if we pull up a and again, if you pull up a 5-minute candle and you see a shooting star, which we don't, but if there was a shooting star, that would tell me to do what? Not close the position automatically, but tighten in the trailing stop even further. Let's take a look at STP. We should also check the other energy and solar plays. Let's see, STP, a good 2-day high breakout in the late to the long party. If one didn't get it over that 2-day high, I don't think I posted an alert for it, but it looks good. Let's see, would I buy this? I'm in it, so I guess the question would be, would I add to it? I think I'm in it. Let's see, STP. Yeah, just one share from 1546, so I'm in from way down here, but just on one share, so it's only up a few bucks. But let's see, 20.6, likely okay. That's what I'm looking at for STP. I would just use the default of about 10 cents over that nickel resistance. I'd be a skeptic right this late in the session on further moves. So it says to it, nothing yet. I think it took me out. Let's see. Something went off. Oh, no, it didn't. Oh, the Marvell took me out. Okay. So I sold 200 Marvells at 14.23, which is good. So the Marvells that closed me out, it's only up $8. But hey, it all goes to the kitty, so that's good. We'll see. So I'm back to tracking shares, and then the question becomes, would I buy this again? Should I buy this again? And set alert. Yes, it's a 35-day high. Absolutely. Set alert last, but not right now. Last at 14.5. So I'll buy some more if this goes back to 14.5. But in the meantime, I'll be happy that I sold the intermediate top at the 14.20. Looks like that shadow of that candle took me out. Sometimes that'll do that too. The inside is still up a few cents more, and it took me out at the 23. But that's the market in that stock. So hey, it looks like my United's working out nicely. Okay, so yeah, and I want to protect as much profit as can because you know this is going to roll over at some point, right? It's going to roll over and go south. Let's see, is my spread there? Yes, so I need to add. Do I double it? Probably not this late, but I will scale in another 100 shares. So I'm in 400 from. I'll leave that stop there because it's above the spread at 469. So if this thing continues to go on up, great. If not, well, fine. I'll still protect an open profit. Again, part of the key to this, the key to my success in this, is that I have no freaking clue which 250 stocks is going to be the one that goes. Right? I had no idea that United was going to go up, but it did, and so I was prepared for it by being in it already. Small shares. See, it didn't do jack yesterday. 10-cent spread, yes, or 10-cent range yesterday. Today it's up for me $60. So anyway, the point is, I have no freaking clue which of these stocks is going to run. That's why I'm in all these different stocks. I don't know which of these is going to be the ones that move into the $10 plus category that I can then start scaling into. So I'm in, I was in from what, 150, and now I'm up to 410 shares, up $60. Real trader at work. These are real trades. Wouldn't surprise me a bit, and it never does when these things go against me and roll over. The key is, like a banker, to just sweep small profits out of the market day after day, small trade after small trade, you know, as they move, right? That's the strategy. It continues to move on up, so I need to add to it. And by the way, I never second guess myself. So I'm in another 100 shares. Now my spread is only 10 cents. So now I can add to this. And because it's getting near 5 and it's already ran up a lot and it's late in the day, we don't have a 2-day high comp breakout, yada, yada, yada. I'm kind of skeptical about this continuing. If it does, great. I'll make even more money. But if it doesn't, that's cool too. Now the question is, you know, where's the exact top? Now, tempted to sell it all, sell most of it here. But I'll fight the temptation. Just tighten in the trailing stop instead. So, this thing is running for us. That is good. And I'm putting my trailing stop now at just a nickel, and I'm going to keep it to within 6 to 8 cents of market because, so it's 6 cents. My trailing stop is 482. The market's willing to pay 48. I paid 473 for 500 shares. See how I scaled into that? I was in 150 shares or 160 shares, whatever, this morning. I first put in the trailing stop to just under the break-even point. Now I'm at $2,500 worth of stock, and I think this thing's going to roll over pretty soon. But I really don't want to be out in case it doesn't. I think I'm just going to tighten in the trailing stop. I'm not going to sell it all, but I think this is the top. If I was momentum trading large size instead of just 500 shares, I would trail the stop right. I mean, I would exit right now. This is the exit right now. This is the place to get out of stock. 99% sure. But the 1% sure, unsure says, hey, don't. So I'm putting the trailing stop at 3 cents under market, right? I'm at 85 from 88. That way, if it goes down just a bit, I got the exact top, which is good. I sold the top and made some money. Now, if it keeps running on up, then great. I didn't just get out arbitrarily because I thought it was a top. You know, I could have thought it was a top back here, back there, back there. But instead, what was I doing? I was buying stock on the way up because I'm a trader. Let's see what it does. This is great. I love this stuff. So I'm in 500 shares. I'm up almost $100. Again, you know, I need to scale up. Personally, my challenge is I need to be adding zero. So I'm in 5,000 shares, and this is $900, not $95, but still. Now, my strategy says I've got more, so I need to buy more. I'm going to buy 200 shares more. So now I'm in 700 shares. But I think it'll take me out. But just in case it didn't, that's okay. I'm in 700 shares. And if it continues on up, then great. If it drops a penny, then bang, it'll fill me. I'm only a penny out, right? So it's likely to hit me. Let's see. Bang, and there we went. Okay, so, you know, just made $65. So not going to put my kids through college, but that's another winning trade. And that's how you do it. Hoorah. All right. Anyway, that does it for today's session, traders. I don't know about you, but that was fun. Now I need to go take a break. And besides, it's getting close to 11, and I know from a discipline standpoint, the trends are not under 0.7, and as comp isn't taking out a 2-day high, it's near 11 o'clock. I should stop trading. Now, did I sell the exact freaking top of this stock? Yeah, probably. To within a penny or two? Yeah, probably. That's how you do it. The key is the mechanics that I showed you. I hope that that made a good mental impression on you of how I manually. Now, again, the last trade I bought, I think maybe a penny or two above what I sold the whole trade out for, but I still made the $65 on that because I scaled out, of the entire position. I sold 700 shares, making the $65 in about 15 minutes. So Well, that's how you do it. And again, the thing is, all this stuff adds up.